Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to learning how to drive a manual Volkswagen Jetta. First, familiarize yourself with the three pedals: the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. It is crucial to understand your Jetta's specific gear shift pattern, typically displayed on the knob. Before moving, practice finding the clutch's friction point, where the engine begins to engage. This is a critical skill for smooth starts and shifts, preventing the engine from stalling. Take your time to master this initial step. Once you are moving in first gear, it is time to shift up. When the engine reaches about 2,500 revolutions per minute, press the clutch pedal all the way down while simultaneously lifting your foot off the accelerator. Move the gear stick firmly and smoothly into the next higher gear. As you slowly release the clutch, gently press the accelerator to maintain momentum and ensure a seamless transition. Practice makes perfect for these upward shifts. Downshifting is essential for controlling your speed and preparing for acceleration. As you slow down, you will need to shift to a lower gear. Press the clutch pedal fully, move the gear stick to the desired lower gear, and briefly blip the accelerator to match the engine's revolutions per minute. This technique, known as rev matching, helps prevent a jarring sensation. Then, smoothly release the clutch. This ensures a much smoother and more controlled deceleration. Bringing your Jetta to a complete stop requires coordination. As you approach your stopping point, press both the clutch and the brake pedals simultaneously. This prevents the engine from stalling. Once stopped, shift the gear stick into neutral if you anticipate being stationary for more than a few seconds. When parking, always engage the parking brake fully. For added security, leave the car in either first gear or reverse gear, depending on the incline.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.